Hello, gang. Welcome back to Last Train Home. Oh, let's get in and do this. I've got the team ready. I broke down all the teams. Well, we got Team 1, which is a full 10-person crew. Come on, let's go. All right. Dang, it's going to take 16 energy. Recommended team of 4, 10. Excuse me, 3 skulls. Recommended team of 10. Metal, cloth, coal. Let's do it. As your soldiers see the brewery, they respond with a mix of emotions. Some are unhappy about the beer going to waste, despite it being poisoned. Others are eager, relishing the chance to save the locals and perform further acts of heroism. You trust these feelings will subside once they comprehend the scale of the task ahead of them. Defensive positions have been set up around the brewery, and the perimeter is well guarded by patrols. Blah. This is obviously a popular place with the Reds, though none of them appear drunk. Oh, dang it. Yep. Artillery strike won't be available. Artillery shell supply is not in the train inventory. Cannon post in artillery car is empty. Yes, I know, because I don't have any shells. I started the manufacture of one of them, of the first one, on the way up. No point in having anybody in there if I don't have it heated, insulated, and supplied with ammo. Let's do this. I've grabbed mostly top tier. My only level 2s are medic and rifleman. Oh, and by the way, that pop-up that I earned something was apparently for having somebody reach 5th level. So, cool on that. And only 20.8 people have done it so far. Come on, players. Get those levels up. I'm just going to say, gang, it doesn't feel like my headphones are sitting right tonight.
Someone devised the perfect plan to get rid of the Reds who took over the nearby brewery. They poisoned the beer. Surprisingly, the Reds haven't touched it. Instead, they are planning to give it out for free, to build support with the townspeople. We are here to prevent the loss of innocent lives due to this absurd situation. Since we can't exactly tell the Reds what happened, we must capture the brewery and destroy the entire supply of beer.
All right, let's see. I actually got a little bit of a floor plan available. See a little bit. Brewery's up over here. All right.
Listening, sir.
Start getting everybody over here.
A wise decision.
Let's move. Let's see. I need a marksman. About 4 of y'all. This should not be tough. Let's get some eyes on. What if I go this way?
I'll take a look-see.
All right.
Listening,
Back.
sir.
Give me some eyes on.
I'll take a look.
Not seeing anything. That's...
What is it?
wacky.
Checking position.
I'm waiting. Changing location.
Ready, sir. Assuming position. Awaiting orders. Moving!
Your orders? I'll take a look.
So in theory, if I had
Awaiting orders!
the equipment for it,
Enemy spotted. Yes? On the move.
had the equipment, I could.
Ready.
Let's see. Have used artillery in this.
Listening.
Start moving up.
On the move. Your orders? As you wish. Understood.
I'm ready.
Start
Understood.
moving.
Yes? Checking position. Sir? Let's see what's there. Yes,
Right, you four,
on my way.
move it up into that.
Awaiting orders!
Let's see, how do you get in here?
Understood.
Move it out.
I'll see to it.
Round.
Moving. Be right there. Understood.
Go ahead and get the fuel.
Yes, sir. Understood.
This should not be what he was
Be
doing,
right there.
actually.
Enemy spotted!
Okay, see, just
Be right there!
run.
Moving. I'll see to it.
Orders. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Move it.
I'm here. Be right
Get
there.
over there. Oh, I meant to bring Andromedang,
I'm here.
original machine gunner, because he's got the herbalist
Understood.
skill. And those look like they might be herbalist bushes, but I can't know for certain
Ready.
because he's my only individual herbalist.
I'll take a look-see. Enemy spotted.
Squads get bigger. Harder to snipe.
Yes? I'll keep my head down.
Ready as I'll ever be.
If you say so.
Let's keep moving.
Yes. Assuming position.
Orders.
Yeah.
I'll look. Enemy spotted.
3 down there, blasting barrel.
I'm here.
So I'll move it up.
Taking cover.
Yes? I'll take a look.
There's the distillery coming into view.
I'm all ears. Assuming position.
Okay.
Yes.
Two of them.
Okay,
Two
I'm
on
going.
off.
Orders, sir.
Shits and giggles.
Let's see what's there.
Nothing.
Yes. I'll take a look-see.
Nothing. So if I want to be really sneaky, you could crawl down through there, but that's not my style.
Taking cover.
He's the only one.
Кажется, что-то видел. He's in my sights. Moving.
Where did that patrol group go?
I'll take a look-see. Yes. I'll see to it. I'll see to it.
Go, dude.
I'm waiting.
You two,
I'll see to it.
go down there.
Awaiting orders.
I'll see to it. Yes, sir.
Nice. All right, get back here. Yes, I could have waited. Gotten that after cleaning things, but takes things off my brain.
I'm all ears. I'll take a look.
More fuel. All right. Is there a better way to get angle on those guys? Not really. It's kind of open.
I'm all ears. On my way.
I don't want to pop that. There's a civilian sitting there. Another one there. Come around this way.
Yes?
You three, move it up.
Taking cover.
Sir? I'll take a look-see.
Yes.
Let's move up.
Taking cover. I'm listening.
Up there.
Your orders, sir? Finding cover. Understood.
Alright, this is going to be a matter of timing. you got the tough one. Alright, before Dom gets there,
I'm all ears.
move them
As you wish.
up. Alright, they come out, Dom comes out. Dom's got perfect shot on him already.
Your orders, sir? Yes, sir. Listening, sir. He's in my sights.
Yes.
Alright.
I see him.
2,
Ready.
Dom.
Can't hide from me. I don't see any movement. Listening!
Dom. Back
On the
under
move.
cover.
Enemy spotted.
What? Crap, there comes that patrol.
Yes, sir.
Move it.
Your orders, sir. Yes,
Move
sir.
it.
Enemy spotted.
Most certainly.
I'm here.
Dom, keep coming.
Yes. Taking cover.
Yes. I'm all ears. Something to hide behind.
Yes. A better option, yes.
Here they come.
Ready.
I know they should get up in here. Hold up. Everybody ready?
Ready.
Everybody try. Okay.
I'm all ears.
Кажется, я что-то видел.
He's in my sights.
Everybody
He won't get far.
pick a target.
Listening.
Haha, yes. Yeah.
I have him marked. Ready.
Crap.
Кто здесь? Check for you.
No hiding, mate.
Area clear.
That worked better than planned.
I'm all ears. On my way. Understood.
Somebody get that?
Found a key.
Understood.
You guys go there. All right.
Yes. I'll see to it.
Let's move it out. Actually, they're going that way.
I'm listening.
They might need some support.
Taking
Make sure they
cover.
don't get ambushed. Around the flank.
I'm here. Moving.
Let's go.
I'll take a look. Yes, sir.
Let's go.
I'll keep my head down. Assuming position.
Really, these guys need to be back
Yes, sir.
towards the square. I need to move a couple of snipers up and around.
Ready.
Switch. Tom, would you mind giving us a
I'll take a look.
oversight?
Yes.
Alfred, if you could do the same right about
Let's
there.
see what's there.
Orders.
And
Checking position.
double check. Really? Nothing back in there? Okay.
Yes. Be right there.
Get on that.
Sir.
Somebody with that. those other
Finding cover.
supply thingy here. Oh well. I can sneak down around. Or go up around the top. Come in the gate. What additional supplies out there?
Yes?
Come on, I don't want to...
Moving!
There we go, sneaky spot.
Assuming position. Yes? Something to hide behind. I'm all ears.
Let's
I'll see what's there.
see if we can spot anything.
I'll see to it, sir. I'll take a look. Yes,
In our
I'll
eye.
see what's there.
Not spot any kind of resources.
Consider it done. I'll take a look.
Controls.
Sir,
Nothing.
I'll see what's there.
It's a little bit bothersome. I'm not finding
Consider it done.
anything. Alright, what have we? Look,
I'll
right
take a
here.
look. Enemy spotted.
Flag patrolman. I'm the one patrolman that.
I'll see to it, sir.
Oh, there was another one.
I'll see what's there. Enemy spotted.
Two are there.
Enemy spotted.
Okay, three guys there. I'm not seeing any easy way to get up to there. I need to come in the front gate. Alright, let's do this.
Yes. I'll see to it.
You two make sneaky sneak that way.
Understood.
Now there's some sort of bridge thing going on.
Okay, I'm going.
I do not have one of the grenadiers then. That's not good. What is that? There's a blinking body down there. Alright.
Yes?
Who is that? Camo. Go
Understood.
join her
I'm
down
waiting.
there. Camilla. Get
Okay,
back up
I'm
here.
going.
Alright, let's start moving it forward.
Ready. Taking cover.
Let's go.
Orders, sir. Finding cover.
Enemy spotted.
Ready as I'll ever be. Changing location.
Enemy spotted.
Right, I'm gonna need all my marksmen
Taking cover.
forward together.
Enemy spotted.
Yes.
You know what? Go ahead and stick with them.
I'll see to it.
Awaiting orders. Take cover.
Yes?
Alright.
I'll see what's there.
What the hell are you doing?
Oh, certainly.
Stay put.
I'll take a look.
Okay, goodies. Goodies.
Sir? I'll see what's there.
No.
Yes, sir.
Stay put.
I'll take a look.
Don't know why it's not giving me its ring and sending him walking. It is. Hey, quick check.
Checking position.
No
Enemy
reach.
spotted. Enemy spotted.
What we got? Pair of guys.
On my way.
Enemy spotted.
I'm here. Checking position.
Let's go. Let's go down here.
Orders, sir. Moving. I'm all ears. Yes? I'll see what's there.
Don't see where those two went. Dang it.
Yes. Understood. Enemy spotted. Yes.
You three.
Moving.
Move up.
Ready as I'll ever be. Listening. Understood.
Ready, sir.
I'll see to it. Listening, sir.
All right.
I'll take a look.
Where the hell are they? I know I got two guys down there, but where the heck are they?
Ready.
I've got a pop-up. There we go.
I'll take a look. Enemy spotted.
That's one guy. Where did the two that were over here go? I hate leaving those three down there, but I've got plenty of personnel here for this.
Enemy spotted. Your
Enemy
orders?
spotted.
As you wish.
Move down.
On the move. Yes?
What the heck is down here?
I'll see what's there. Enemy spotted.
That might be my two boys right there. Nope. They're both riflemen. Where did they go?
Your orders? Checking position.
Where the heck did they go?
Ready.
Checking position. Sir. I'll look.
Dang it. There they come.
Yes?
Yes.
Definitely not.
Moving. Ready.
He's in my sights.
Yes.
He won't get far.
Лучше пойти глянуть.
Ready!
Yes.
All right, got them.
Listening. I'll keep my head down.
Let's go do some
Understood.
food. Go get it.
Orders, sir? Yes, sir. I'm here. Yes, sir. Enemy spotted.
Cool. That dude is...
Listening, sir.
Ah, come on.
Yes. Assuming position. Что это было? He's in my sights. Moving.
Enemy spotted.
Okay. Back on binos.
I'll see what's there.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Let's move it.
Moving.
Might be a bad idea, but...
As you wish.
Well, I've scouted all of this previously.
Understood.
Let's go.
On the move. Finding cover. Moving. I'll keep my head down.
Let's see. That's in there.
Finding cover.
Move it over.
I'll keep my head down.
Moving up.
Assuming position. Finding cover.
Those two guys may have been all that there was out here.
Yes, sir. As you wish.
I might end up ambushing myself at any moment. Always good stuff.
Found a key.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Understood.
Let's go. Move it back.
Yes, sir.
Enemy spotted.
Yes, sir.
Let's go to this compound. Then we move up.
Understood.
Ooh, explosives.
Found explosives.
As you wish. As you wish. I'll keep my head down.
All right. rifleman.
Yes. Moving.
Кажется, я что-то видел.
I'm here. Yes, sir. Yes.
Я ведь поклялся, да черт с ним.
He's in my sights.
Проклятие! Orders?
Dang it. Never mind.
I'm all ears!
Get your
Yes, sir.
butt back under cover.
Taking position.
What is it?
Oh, how nice.
I see him.
Come on. All right.
Yes?
Let's go get the other two.
Changing location. Awaiting orders.
Follow
Yes,
up.
sir. I'm all ears. Taking cover. Moving.
That must be the stash of valuables hidden away by the brewery employees when the Reds took over. We must retrieve it. Hurry!
Taking cover.
Yes.
Can't hide from me.
Your orders? Understood!
Wait, it's over there.
On the move. Yes, sir.
Ready as I'll ever be. No hiding from me, lad.
Well, he's as dead as a doornail. I hope the contents of that stash were worth his life.
I'll see to it, sir.
Enemy spotted.
Yes, sir.
Well, if you get back around here.
I'm here. Assuming position.
Listening, sir. I'm all ears.
All right.
A wise decision.
Nothing back in
I see
there.
what's there.
Yes. All right.
I'm here.
I'm all ears.
Move it.
Yes.
I need everything collected.
I'm listening. Finding cover.
Just move.
Listening. Right you are, sir. Righto.
Found your repair kit.
I'll take a look.
Good, good. Then I can fix the bridge.
Yes, sir.
Get to whatever is going on the other side of it.
Understood.
Wait, how am I supposed to get in there?
Yes, sir. On the move. I'll take a look.
Ooh, grenade.
Right you are, sir. Let's see what's there.
This is actually going fairly quick.
Moving.
All right, what's over there?
Ready. Checking position. Your orders.
This way.
As you wish. Understood. Leave it with me.
Enemy spotted.
What am I doing?
Yes, sir.
Why did I need to open that door?
Righto.
I don't know.
I'm here. Yes. Checking position.
Not seeing anything.
Your orders? Understood.
Let's go.
Taking cover.
All right.
Yes? I see what's there. Enemy spotted.
A machine gun. Yeah, I'm thinking the other three need to come back up and around. They're camping a body over there. Wait.
Orders? Yes.
Repair kit. We can repair it.
I'll see to it.
Set across. And hopefully not get spotted.
Okay, I'm going. Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Fuel.
Yes, sir.
Up with this body.
Yes, sir.
It's a drunk. We got a vodka off him.
Say
Okay.
the word. Okay, I'm going.
All right, those three need to sneak their way back across.
Understood.
Gonna bring it up around and join the main team. We're gonna go in.
I'll see to it.
Don't get spotted. Don't get spotted.
Okay, I'm going. Understood.
Let's go. Bring them up and around. There's a bridge with a machine gun over there.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Sneak your way up top here.
Moving.
Bring your butts up in there. Okay, gang, I decided to split it there. I thought I had been much better with my time management, and it was a much more appropriate length video. That driven hard, maybe got a little reckless at some points, but I went checking it to do editing, and it's like, yeah, that's too long for a weekday video. Much so, we're splitting it in two at this point. Hope you've enjoyed up to here. Join me again on Thursday for the second half. Thanks for joining. Hope you enjoy. Smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share with some friends. More important than anything, there's something that's all important to you. And whether you get up and out face to face with other people or stay to the safety of the keyboard, just pick up the phone. Call a friend or family member. Let them know you're thinking about it, that they matter. Whatever you choose to do, however you choose to get involved, take care. Stay safe. I am the Articulate Grunt. I hope to catch you back soon, but for now, I'm out from here. Bye.